This is my ripped patio screen, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove it. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name's Andy. I like to make short and helpful videos like this one. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. Step 1. You'll need to use a small screwdriver like this one to help you remove the spline. It may be even easier if you use a hook tool like this if you have one. Once you get the spline started, use your hands to pull it out all the way. Step 2. You can use the screwdriver and remove the old ripped screen from the groove. Step 3. Do me a favor and smash that like button. Step 4. Continue to remove the spline on the other remaining sides. You may need to cut the spline in places where it goes into the other screen areas that you're not replacing. Then remove the remaining spline. Step 5. You will also need to cut the mesh to separate it from the other side section and then pull it off. At the very end, you will need to cut the spline off if it's connected like mine is. That's it. Now you're ready to install a new screen. Like and subscribe.